New Zealand, a land of towering mountains and sparkling oceans where nature's grandeur is on full display. A place where ancient forests meet active volcanoes, creating a landscape that feels both timeless and dynamic. This island nation is a beacon for adventurers and dreamers alike, offering endless opportunities for exploration. It's a place where you can challenge yourself, push your limits, and connect deeply with nature. Imagine soaring peaks that pierce the clouds, inviting you to reach new heights. Picture crystal-clear lakes reflecting the sky, offering moments of serene beauty. New Zealand's beauty will take your breath away, leaving you in awe of its natural wonders. But there's more to this country than just its stunning scenery. This is a land of stories where every landscape tells a tale. Myths and legends are woven into the fabric of New Zealand, enriching its cultural tapestry. The Maori people, the original inhabitants, have a deep connection to the land, expressed through their rich traditions. Their culture is rich in tradition and spirituality, offering a profound sense of place. New Zealand is calling. Are you ready to answer the call and embark on your own adventure in this land of legends?
Section 5. Stepping into Middle-earth, the magic of Hobbiton. For fans of The Lord of the Rings, a visit to Hobbiton is a must. It's a pilgrimage to the heart of Middle-earth, where the beloved stories come to life. This movie set was used in the filming of the trilogy and The Hobbit. Walking through the set, you can almost hear the echoes of the epic adventures that took place here. Step into the Shire and explore the Hobbit holes. Each one is meticulously crafted to reflect the charm and simplicity of Hobbit life. Have a drink at the Green Dragon Inn. This iconic spot offers a cozy atmosphere where you can relax and imagine the tales told by the fire. It's like stepping into the pages of Tolkien's books. Every corner of Hobbiton is infused with the spirit of his writing. The attention to detail is incredible. From the tiny windows to the perfectly round doors, no detail is too small. From the gardens to the fences, everything is designed to transport you to Middle-earth. The lush greenery and quaint structures make it feel like a living, breathing world. You can almost imagine Bilbo Baggins stepping out of his front door, ready for a new adventure. The magic of the place makes it easy to believe in the fantastical. It's a magical experience for fans of all ages. Whether you're young or old, the enchantment of Hobbiton is undeniable. Even if you're not a movie buff, Hobbiton is worth a visit. The beauty and craftsmanship of the set are enough to captivate anyone. It's a testament to the creativity and craftsmanship of the people who built it. Their dedication to bringing Tolkien's world to life is evident in every detail, and it's a reminder that even in the real world, a little bit of magic can be found. Hobbiton captures that magic and shares it with everyone who visits.
Section 6. A taste of New Zealand culinary delights. New Zealand's culinary scene is as diverse as its landscapes, offering a rich tapestry of flavors and traditions. Fresh seafood is a must-try, with the country's extensive coastline providing an abundance of ocean delights. Sample the local oysters, mussels, and crayfish, each offering a unique taste of the sea. The fish and chips are world-renowned, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. No trip to New Zealand is complete without trying a meat pie, a comforting and hearty dish. These savory pastries are a national institution, beloved by locals and visitors alike. You'll find them everywhere, from bakeries to gas stations, making them a convenient and delicious snack. For a sweet treat, indulge in a pavlova, a dessert that is as beautiful as it is delicious. This meringue-based dessert is topped with fresh fruit and whipped cream, creating a perfect balance of textures and flavors. New Zealand is also known for its world-class wines, which are celebrated globally for their quality and distinctiveness. The Marlborough region is famous for its Sauvignon Blanc, a wine that captures the essence of New Zealand's terroir. Central Otago produces Pinot Noir that rivals the best in the world, known for its rich and complex flavors. Visit a vineyard and sample the local vintages, experiencing firsthand the passion and craftsmanship that goes into every bottle. Section 7. The people of the long white cloud. The people of New Zealand are some of the friendliest you'll ever meet. They're known for their laid-back attitude and love of the outdoors. Don't be surprised if strangers strike up conversations with you. It's just the Kiwi way. Kiwis are passionate about their country. They're proud of their natural beauty, their culture, and their sporting achievements. They're also incredibly welcoming to visitors. You'll feel right at home in New Zealand. The Maori term, Manakitanga embodies the spirit of hospitality in New Zealand. It means to show respect, generosity, and care for others. You'll experience this firsthand throughout your travels. Section 8. Protecting Paradise Sustainability in New Zealand. New Zealanders understand the importance of protecting their environment. The country has a strong commitment to sustainability. Many tourism operators practice eco-friendly practices. They minimize their impact on the environment and support conservation efforts. When you visit New Zealand, do your part to protect this paradise. Follow the Leave No Trace principles. Pack out all your trash, stay on designated trails, respect wildlife. By traveling responsibly, you can help preserve New Zealand's beauty for generations to come. It's our responsibility to protect this planet we call home. Section 9. Embracing the adventure. Your New Zealand journey awaits. New Zealand is a land of endless possibilities. Whether you're seeking adventure, cultural immersion, or simply a chance to connect with nature, this country has something to offer everyone. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your flights, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. New Zealand is calling. Will you answer? The spirit of adventure burns bright in this land of legends.